When I opened my eyes, there was only white death all around. I am alone, completely alone.
Where am I? Where is the plane? No answer. Just the wind.
My bones are intact, but the cold is freezing my blood. It's minus 35 degrees.
If I stop here, I'll become a statue of ice. Movement is life. The GPS is dead. No signal. I have to trust my instincts.
A 100-foot wall of ice. This looks impossible. One more step.
I made it up, but looking down was a mistake. A storm is coming. I need shelter immediately.
Build your own home.
This snow is my enemy, but tonight it is my shield. Just a little warmth. Hold on.
I've never been so happy to see the sun.
Is that a person? Or is my mind playing tricks on me? Hey! Over here! Hey! Wait! I'm here!
Just a rock. It's just a rock.
Stay focused. The research station should be north. I have to be disciplined. This food is the only fuel I have left for the long walk ahead. Bright blue tactical Arctic Parka with fur-lined hood, black waterproof snow pants, heavy black boots, and a large black...
Get up. You have to get up.
Dang, that bruise looks nasty. Still tender. Alright, can't stay here. Gotta keep moving. Zip it up. One step at a time. I can make it back before dark. I can almost feel the fire. Almost. Focus. Don't sleep while walking. Darkness is falling again. I hate the night.